Good morning, dear third standard students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Are you happy with this class? Last day we learned about magic garden. The magic garden, it was wonderful. All the flowers, plants loved their friends and children. Children are the friends of the flowers. Today we are going to study page number 5. Page number 5. Okay? Let us read. Listen me carefully. We love the children. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. A tiny bird. एक छोटे सा पक्षी ने बोला, क्या बोला? हम चिल्ड्रन को पसंद करते हैं. We love the little children. They are kind and they bring bread for us. They are kind. बहुत दया देते हैं, हमको बहुत हेल्प करते हैं, वो ब्रेड हमारे लिए लेके आते हैं. They are bringing bread for us. Who are bringing bread for us? Little children. Who are bringing bread for us? Bread for the who are bringing bread for the plants? Little children. Little children are bringing bread for the flowers and birds. Not flowers, birds. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. All the flowers said, सारे flowers ने बोला, we must work hard. We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty. हमारा ड्रेस बहुत अच्छा सुंदर बनाना है, क्योंकि for the children will be here soon. वो बच्चों जल्दी इधर आएंगे. The sun said, सन ने क्या बोला? I will help you also. मैं आपको हेल्प करूँगा. For nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Oh, I like to see the children. The sun said that I like to see the children running in the sunshine. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों वो ग्राउंड में रनिंग करते हैं. The sun told. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. तुरंत, suddenly means तुरंत. The children came out, वो बच्चों लोग बाहर आ गया, laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Flowers तुरंत क्या किया? They stop किया, है ना? क्या stop किया? Stopped their songs to listen them. ओ वो लोग का फ्लावर्स का सॉन्ग्स उन्होंने बंद कर दिया, फिर बच्चों का सॉन्ग सुनना शुरू कर दिया. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child. One child ने क्या बोला? वो देखो सनफ्लावर को देखो. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. तो सनफ्लावर ने क्या किया? sunflower lifted, ऊंचा कर दिया. Its head very proudly, बहुत proud से, बहुत गंभीरता से, बहुत seriously इनका head ऊंचा कर दिया. Who lifted its head very proudly? Who lifted its head very proudly? कौन? Answer is the sunflower. Answer is the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, दूसरा बच्चा क्या बोला है? I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. Why? Why the child is loving the marigold? Marigold को क्यों लव करते हैं वो बच्चों? Because it has golden dress. Because golden dress, सोना कलर में वो ड्रेस पहनते हैं. Marigold smiled and happy. Marigold became very happy. It was indeed a magic garden. ए बिल्कुल एक मैजिक गार्डन था. बिकॉज इट हैड फेरीज टू. इसमें क्या भी है? फेरीज भी है. दे डांस्ड एंड sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. Why? Why the magic garden? Why the garden was magic? Why the garden was magic? Why? Because it has fairies, and the fairies used to dance and sing songs, sweet songs. बहुत अच्छा सुंदर गाना गा रहे थे fairies, dance भी कर रहा थे. So they were doing dance and beautiful songs in the garden. So the children were loving the garden very well. After a time, the fairies came out, dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet. The magic garden was quiet. What is the meaning of quiet? बहुत शांत, बहुत silent था. That night, the flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day. All were sleeping. The flowers and birds were sleeping and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. वो बच्चों वापस और सुबह सुबह आएंगे ऐसा सोच के ड्रीम देखे, सपना देखे. गार्डन का फ्लावर्स and birds सो गया. Understand? Adapted from The Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. A beautiful, you have read a beautiful story of Magic Garden. Understand? Now see the picture of Magic Garden. Now let us go to the new words. You have to write 10 times. You have to write new words 10 times. What are the new words? Magic, garden, gardeners, playground, sunshine, golden, dreaming. Understand? You have to write 10 times this hard words. Now let's go to the page number 7. You have to do the answer. Reading is fun. Why did the flowers love the little children? Why did the flowers love the little children? छोटे बच्चों को flowers क्यों पसंद किया? Why? Because the little children were very kind and bringing the bread for the birds. That's why ब्रेड सब लेके आ रहा था पक्षी के लिए. Why did the second question? Why did the birds love the children? Birds बच्चों को क्यों पसंद कर दिया? Why did the birds love the children? Can you say? Yes, why did the once again the first question listen, why did the flowers love the little children? Its answer I will show you its answer. Yes, the first question. What was the first question? Why did the flowers love the children? Its answer you can see, the flowers love the children. The flowers love the children because they bring their watering cans and water their thirsty roots. Okay, that is the first answer. Now the second answer we are going to see. Why did the birds love the little children? See the answer. The birds love the little children because they are very kind and bring bread for the birds. Understand? So, understood the first and second answer, dear students? Now, name, third question, name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Can you say, इसका आंसर आप लोग you have to find out yourself. Fourth, what sound could the children hear in the garden? What sounds could the children hear in the garden? Garden में कौन सा sound सुन रहा था? Children hear in the garden. Okay, the 3 and 4 you have to find out the answer. First answer, second answer already given to you. For your question answer you have to write 5 times. Okay, the question answer you have to write 5 times. So hope you have understood and have a nice day. God bless you.